Hi, I am David.
Hi, I'm Matthew.
I'm Sabriana.
And we are the Rotten Chocolate Trio.
Yay!
Anyways, let's start. Ew. The frick? Guys, don't mind my cousin. His name is Matthew, and he's very, very annoying.
I'm the
Like
cricketer.
This is why your crush rejected you. This is why nobody likes you at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, like your face.
Sa ila barod. Ela lang gamit mo?
Hindi po. Hindi ko nga po alam din eh. Tingin ko po ano.
Kasi Ela yung pangalan mo.
Hindi po yun sa akin, tita. Tita Marlene po yan.
Huh?
Yes.
Ah, so ang gamit mo kanina ka, Tita Marilyn.
Yes.
Ah, okay.
Tita, video po kami.
Ha?
Video po kami. Channel po. Channel. Okay.
I'm not cricket.
Guys, are you lagging?
I'm not lagging. I'm just spelling at the rope.
OMG.
I'm lagging.
Anyways, guys, see you tomorrow. Twerk, twerk, twerk.
I'm lagging.
OMG. Do y'all wanna play a different game?
Yeah.
Yeah, burat ka, Matt. Sorry.
Oh, di ba sabi yung no English?
Yes, ulit. We're gonna Tagalog na. Yes, Tagalog po kami. So, ayaw po ng isa ko pong pinsan na mag-join sa laro namin. So, kami po maglalaro yung dalawa ng pinsan kong pandak. Pandak. Yes, pandak siya. Okay. Today, we're gonna play this game. Okay.
That's what I want to do.
Pabebe. Okay. Okay.
Ito.
Ano yan? Pajang...
Do you want to eat the strawberry?
Kung gusto mo to. Sana ako. Sana ako. Ba't ako nag-teleport? I wanna run away.
I'm the swimming pool.
I'm the swimming pool.
That's what the water with the water.
Hello guys. We're now playing on
Guys, don't mind my stupid cousin. Do y'all wanna play? What the fuck? Out na nga lang magpapakanta.
Ito kaya. Ayoko to.
Guys, narinig kayo. Anyways, guys, see you in
Bayan,
the
hindi ko
next
marinig.
video.